Hello and welcome to Website Speedy tutorial for Website Core Web Vitals Optimization. Website Speedy is a DIY instant website speed optimization tool built to optimize your core web vitals and website performance without the need of a developer. Our tool works for all major platforms, and even if you have a custom website, you can still use it. Enter your URL and click on Improve My CWV Now button, and fill in the sign up form. Website Speedy comes up with 4 plans. You can choose one according to your website traffic. Here I am demonstrating to you by selecting our forever free plan. Website Speedy checks the current core web vital score of your website using Google Page Speed Insights API. In the dashboard, you can see current core web vital score of your website, add more websites, check Help Center for instructions, or book an appointment for any help required. Now let's install Website Speedy. Navigate to install Website Speedy in left sidebar. You can boost your website speed just by following these simple steps. In the first step, to get started, you need to enter URLs of 3 important pages from your website. We will use these 3 pages for reporting purposes. You can use the button on the right to check current speed. We can do this later too, as explained in FAQ section. For now, we will proceed with improving speed right away. Click on Boost Speed Now button. I am also going to manually check the core web vitals without our tool first, so we can match the updated core web vital score with it. Afterwards, we will use Google Page Speed Insights for this. Let's get back to Speedy. Now here in step 2, we can see the speed enhancement script, which is generated specifically for your website, and add this script code before closing the head tag in your website header. You can see the instruction for this specific to your platform by clicking this button in middle too. For now, click to copy. Go to Website Dashboard, navigate to Theme File, scroll down to Base, add Speedy Script, and apply. Once you add the script, click Verify and to proceed to Step 3. Let's check the updated Core Web Vital Score of selected page. Here you can see updated Core Web Vital Score. That's it. You've successfully used Speedy to enhance your website speed. In sidebar, you can click on Add Site to add your another website. I would recommend you go through the FAQs on the right to understand so basic details about how our tool works and how you can check old speed your no Speedy tag. That's all for now. You can find installation instructions for other platforms on our channel too. Remember, a faster website with optimized core web vitals means a better user experience and potentially higher search engine rankings. Thank you for watching our tutorial. For more tips and guides, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for updates.